In this video, we will show you how to create your access password and keep your data and private key secure. When you install AutoDEX Screener for the first time, the application will prompt you to create an access password. This password is extremely important and must be strong and secure. The reason is that all your data, including your private key, will be encrypted with this password, as we will demonstrate later in this video. After creating your password, an encrypted file named userdata.encrypt.data will be generated in your installation folder. This file will securely store all your settings and private key, encrypted using the password you created. That is why it is crucial to choose a strong password. This encryption process ensures that only you have access to your data, and none of your information is sent to any external server. However, this also means that if you lose your access password, all your data, including your private key, will be permanently lost. Every time you open AutoDEX Screener, you will need to log in with your password to decrypt your data. If you forget your access password, you will not be able to recover your data. You will need to delete all application data and set up a new password and configuration from scratch. Performing this reset will cause the system to start as if it were a new installation, guiding you through all the initial setup steps again. In this video, we have shown you how to create a secure access password to protect your settings and private key while using AutoDEX Screener. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful content.